What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thank you for coming back. I know I've been absent from making videos on YouTube, and I'm sorry for that, but I'm back for a really good video of something that's near and dear to my heart, which is Recteq, which is pizza, which is pizza oven attachments for these pellet smokers. I kind of want to give you a breakdown of the 3 years that I've been doing this and what I've learned on the different aftermarket accessories that I can buy for these smokers, because I'm a true and blue Recteq lifestyle. I'm a Recteq affiliate. They don't send me anything. They don't give me anything. I buy all of my own products. I believe in this company so much. I absolutely love them because of the quality of their pellet smokers, their grills, the customer service. If I ever had an issue, they are always there. The guys, Jody, what's up? Chef Greg, what's up? Chef John, what's up? You guys are amazing on what you do, and I just want to give you guys a shout out because of how important you are on my barbecue journey, of my Recteq lifestyle. This is going to be basically on some of the aftermarket pellet accessories, pellet grill accessories that I've gotten, and where I'm at right now, and why I feel really great about where I'm at with the pizza oven that I have now. So enjoy the intro, enjoy the video. I'll see you in just a second. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Here, let me flip the monitor around. Going on here. You can see the boys out here relaxing. Got the heaters going, fan pumping. Let me just show you a little bit of the places where I get my tools and stuff. This is my prep area. Oh, excuse me. Little stove. Of course, we got the Recteq flag flying. This is a really nice umbrella that when we're out here, it really fills up this whole area that's a gap in my deck, and it really has some lights on it. I'm sure you've seen those before. Let me just back out a little bit. There we go. In the video, what I wanted to show you is this is the only fire I bought. It's a pizza oven attachment that fits on the Weber kettles, I think the 22-inch, which is the same. And let me just tell you, this is my RT-700 that I bought. This is what started the whole journey. Of course, you got the grill grates that come with it. I got the Ben's Heifer Dust out here. I got Colden's freaking Greek Rub, the original. I got the Loco Gringo Southwest Seasoning. I got the new one from the winning the best comment on. If you haven't followed Recteq, Barbecue Dad Jody, Chef Greg Muller, or Chef John, you need to go do that on Instagram, Facebook. They're absolutely amazing. And then make sure you get on YouTube, follow Recteq, because they have Fun Day Fridays and they're giving things away and they tell you everything. Here's the newest addition to the family. And I'll have a photo right now of when I went to Lehi, Utah, and actually got to go hang out with Chef Greg at the Recteq, I guess it was Academy. That was an amazing journey, and that's where I bought this. I saved up my money. And this was the second addition to the family. This is the RT-1250 that I absolutely love. Gets real hot. Has a little plug-in on the back of it. Then I've got Chef John's Soul Powder, his Lemon Pepper, Rosaruski's Honey Rub, great, Jody's Asian Persuasion, and of course Chef Greg's 4-letter rub. Got a mouth on him, and I love it. But this is my area. This is my cooking area. This is where I let the passion that I have of cooking the foods and smoking the meats and all that good stuff. But it's about this bad boy and what this video is about. You can see over here, and I'm going to go ahead and get this set up so you guys can see. Let me just put this over here. Get you set up. Oops, sorry, guys. So you got to see what I'm talking about here. Let me put it back. This is the pizza oven I bought to put on top of the 380, the RTB-380 Deluxe. It's nice. Has a thermometer, which is kind of pointless, but it fits on top of it. And it has a little pizza stone in it that pulls out. Let me tell you. Let's go over here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The only way that the temperature can get into this oven right here is these back slots that are open. And I'm really restricting that pizza oven. And I thought to myself, what am I doing? Because you see the dome factor. And it's the dome factor of the 380. I don't need it. But this little pizza stone, you have just under 15 inches of cooking area for the pizza. And it's real thin. And with the new kit, on my last video, I kind of did my unboxing of it. 19.5 inches of cooking area. And it's a thick pizza stone, as you can see. And you can see the legs on it, which are attached. And this is the base that it sits in. And I'll go put this on and show you what I'm talking about. Now we can get off this stand. But that's no longer going to be needed because all I'm doing is ruining my pizza cooks is what I figure. Let me grab my... But those legs sit on the grates and rises this cooking temperature, this cooking stone, up to the point to where the hood cooks the top at the same time it cooks the bottom as well. And you can see all of the area that the smoke and the heat can come around on this dome and cook the pizza, which is absolutely amazing. So pizza oven attachment not needed. Go get the kit. It's out now, and I think Black Friday sale is going on. And I can't forget about their gourmet barbecue sauce. But that's what this video is about. The perfect pizza oven. It's wood-fired smoked, of course. It's a pellet. Has the wood fired in it. I have the Recteq pellets in here. The, what is it? The red oak, white oak, and the hickory mixture is what I use. And that's why I love this. That's why I'm so glad they finally came out with a pizza stone that fits the perfect pizza oven. No more of the aftermarket. And I'll have a video down below because on this one I had the aftermarket pizza stone from another company, and you can see the video that the heat would come out in just, this is my third lid because I would always bake the enamel off. It's a bad idea to go anything aftermarket wise. If you need anything, Recteq is the way to go. I absolutely love it, as you can tell. It's just an amazing company. It's an amazing quality. Customer service is absolutely amazing, and the videos that they have are absolutely life-changing. I love it. Recteq lifestyle, baby. That's what we do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for spending some time with me. No more. Yes. So, if you have any questions, or if you have any comments that you want to leave for me, please do down below. Be respectful. But anyways, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody you're proud of them. God bless y'all. Peace.